Greetings and welcome to the video introduction to Chemistry 223, and I'm really glad to have you here. The purpose of this video is hopefully to try to answer some of the initial questions you might have about this class, but if you forget everything else that I talk about, the most important thing is that you know how to get a hold of me. So if you have questions on anything, I want you to email me right away. My email at Mounthood is mike.russell@mhcc.edu. There are no dumb questions in my class. I will do my best to answer you. You can ask again if I don't answer it well, but I encourage your questions and I look forward to hearing from you, definitely. Chemistry 223 officially in the catalog is now listed as Chemistry 223Z and Chemistry 229Z. Chemistry 223Z is the lecture portion. Chemistry 229Z is the lab portion. I will collectively refer to both classes as Chemistry 223, so if you have questions on what I'm referring to, or there's still some confusion, you let me know. Chemistry 223 is my favorite of the 3 quarters, and I hope to share with you why it is as we go through this class. I encourage you to check out the website, which might be where you're looking at this video right now. The website for our class is mhchem.org/223, and you can check it out and see the kind of information that's there. It will also list some assignments to help you get started in the class, should you wish to. I encourage you to check out the Introduce Yourself assignment as soon as possible. You can fill that out. It hopefully won't be too hard, but it will also give you some understanding as to what to look forward to this quarter. I encourage you to purchase the Chemistry 223 Companion as soon as possible. The Chemistry 223 Companion has literally everything you should need this quarter. It has all the materials printed for you, so it includes problem sets, labs, sample quizzes, sample exams, lecture notes that you can write on if you take lectures, a bunch of study guides. I think it'll be definitely worth your while. If you don't purchase the Chemistry 223 Companion, you will need to print some materials for me this quarter. That will include at the very least the problem sets and the labs, and you might need more. So if you can purchase the Companion, it just takes care of it all in one big swoop. The textbook for this class is referred to as an OER textbook. OER stands for Open Education Resource. It's a textbook which is free to download, so you don't have to pay anything for the textbook. You can just download it to your computers or your smartphones or tablets, whatever, view them there. So again, you shouldn't have to purchase anything at all. In Chemistry 223, similar to what we did in Chemistry 221 and Chemistry 222, we will be doing a class presentation, and the topic this quarter is something in science that interests you. So that's a very open-ended subject. You can do a presentation on, say, geology or biology or medicine or astronomy, which is a really famous one that people like to do. Any of those topics would be great, as well as, of course, traditional chemistry, biology, physics, etc., etc. Try to pick a presentation which means something to you. Maybe you've had an interest in it, or it sounds kind of cool. I really like your presentations usually in Chemistry 223 because they come from the heart more, I think, than they do in Chemistry 221 or Chem 222. I encourage you to reserve a science topic for your class presentation as soon as possible. You can email me directly. Email me a couple of topics, and I will reply with the one that's been reserved for you. It'll be the first one listed, and you can get started on that right away. Okay, if you have any questions on this class, I again encourage you to email me immediately. I'm happy to help. There's no dumb questions. I won't laugh at your questions or anything like that, and I am looking forward to seeing you in my classroom. Okay, to a great quarter, and have a great day.